Sis, take a moment right now and check your inner thighs. Is it as bright as your face? Is your inner thighs as bright as the rest of your body? If your answer is no, then you need to watch this video. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vianney's Beauty. If you're new to this channel, this is a channel where we talk everything beauty related and fitness. Talking about fitness, you don't want to know how I was before. Anyway, that's a video for another day, but today we're going to be talking about how to brighten your inner thighs. This video has been pending. Some of my subscribers requested this video about 4 weeks ago, and you all know I promise you never to bring something to this channel without actually trying it on myself. So after the first person, her name is Belinash, thank you so much for making a request of this video. After she requested this video, that's when I started looking at myself, and I actually discovered that my thighs were not as bright as I thought they were. So I started doing this remedy and a few things which I'll eventually talk about in the course of this video. This is the 4th week since she requested this video, and I've seen a massive difference. If you have problems with your thighs, as a woman, your thighs should be as bright as your face, because even though it's kind of a private part, we do go to the beach or to the pool to swim and to relax with other people. It doesn't really look nice, it doesn't look sexy when you go to the beach and you have black thighs when your body is bright. It doesn't speak well about you. So just keep on, grab yourself some coffee, relax as we go through this video. I promise it wouldn't be a long video. So before the first thing, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscription button, because by so doing you'll be helping your girl. Thank you so very much. And remember to click on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post, because you will not be notified if you don't click on that bell. So please go ahead and click on the bell, and always like and comment on my videos, because they do help me a lot. Thank you so much. So the first thing I'll talk about to help brighten up your inner thighs is making sure it is clean on a daily basis. Well, I'm assuming that we all shower every day, but you should take more time. You should be a little bit more patient when you're washing your inner thighs. Like if you're using something like a sponge, apply a little bit more pressure on it than you would normally do to shower. So what I usually do is I take my bathing sponge, and with whatever, if you're using a soap or bathing gel, you can just apply it on it a little more, and you make sure you scrub it on circular motions. Put a little bit of pressure, more than how you would do when scrubbing the rest of your body. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm saying. Unfortunately, I'm a one-man production, so I cannot really demonstrate that for you. I hope you guys can understand, but I'm just telling you what I've been doing since the request of this video. So put a little bit of pressure on it and scrub it on circular motion. Secondly, make sure you moisturize that area. I think some people are guilty of this. I am so guilty of it. You know, when we're young and we shower, we will just, how do you usually rub? Because as for me, I cream my body like this, my hands, my legs, and that is it. I should be ashamed of myself, but I'm trying to be honest with you guys. I don't cream my body, my entire body. I cream just my I'm so scared of lightening up, so I hardly cream my face, except I'm using a moisturizer when doing makeup. So I just cream my hands, my legs, and that is it for the day. No, if you want to have bright thighs, and the reason for dark thighs is actually because of lack of moisture, as I can say in my experience. So make sure you moisturize that area on a daily basis. And for my pregnant ladies, use bow oil. I think on the last 2 videos I talked about oil used for For stretch marks, you can use ball oil on in your inner thighs. Make sure to moisturize it there on a daily basis after you shower if you don't want to use your regular cream. So you can use ball oil in your inner thighs, or even if you're not pregnant, or if you have a baby, or you're just a normal person, you can still use ball oil there. It helps to brighten up that place, that area. It helps to moisturize it, and by moisturizing it, it gives it a uniform color for your body and your inner thighs. So if you have to go to the beach, girl, you'll just be slaying around. So next, to clear up your inner thighs, you want to consider shaving regularly. And when shaving, you can apply Vaseline or coconut oil. Just make sure that the area is moist. Don't go ahead shaving using a blade or whatever thing you use in shaving that area when it's dry. No, sis, don't do that. And when you want to shave that particular area, make sure you shave downwards, don't go upwards. If you're going upwards, your skin can easily fold. And are you guilty as well? Usually when you're shaving down there, you know what I'm talking about, right? Don't pretend you do know. So usually when we're shaving our private parts, we usually forget that area because the hairs there are not as concentrated as the hairs on the private part. So we usually tend to ignore that part, or we just use like a scissors or something. But when you're shaving, make sure to moisturize that place and send your blade downwards. That way it's clearing up the dead skin cells in that area, and eventually it will give you a bright skin. So these things I'm talking about, they can be applicable under your armpits as well. Do you know some people's under armpits, they're very dark, like dark, you can't even explain what's happening. And another reason for dark thighs can be as a result of afterbirth effects. Like me, I don't have black thighs, but it's after birth that I discovered that I started having black thighs. When you have a baby, your stomach, your lower belly is normally very dark, and your thighs, I can't explain. I'm not a scientist, I'm not a doctor, I'm only talking out of my experience. I can't explain the reasons for that, but these are the things you can do to brighten those areas up. So right now, let's just move into the tutorial. This remedy, you can use it as a moisturizer, you can use it after shower, you can use it in the morning and in the evening, you can use it under your armpit, and you can use it to brighten up your thighs. It works. You just have to stay consistent. Without much ado, let's move it. For this remedy, we'll need half a lemon. Lemon has vitamin C properties which helps to lighten up your skin. We'll need honey. We'll need brown sugar, baking soda, and baking soda helps to lighten and exfoliate the skin. Please, it's baking soda, not baking powder. These are two different components. You can either use bicarbonate for those in Cameroon, or you use baking soda. So I'll use 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And please note, this mixture I'm making, I'll use it for about 8 times. That is why I'm taking 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. I just said it to pour out the rest, a squeeze of the lemon juice, some honey, and olive oil. Mix this up thoroughly till you have a smooth blend. The olive oil will help to moisturize your inner thighs because the baking soda and the lemon juice can actually make your inner thighs dry. So this lemon is very important in this remedy. When you're very certain you have a smooth consistency and everything is blended out properly, you take your cotton pad, that's what I have there, and you rub it in circular motions in the affected area. Please do this 10 to 15 minutes before you go to the shower. So you can do this and leave it on your skin for about 10 to 15 minutes. You rub it in circular motions. Make sure that the mixture is getting into your skin, and remember to always shift that area often so that the mixture can penetrate inside and brighten up your inner thighs. If you're using this mixture for the first time, you want to do this every day for 1 or 2 weeks before you can start doing it 3 times a week. Store this. You don't need to store it in a fridge. You can just store it in your toilet and use it before you go to the shower. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye.